when he spray it farm with it. It kind of natural. Kind of believe I not believe because I'm not such a scientific person. So sometimes I wonder what kind of chemical that they must spray on the plant them and the fruit them. Maybe if you ripen them faster, I don't know what they might do. Alright. I don't see no insect on them. You know what I mean?
Boy,
I have to wonder. But when I notice,
they process food every day, that's why I couldn't love America, master.
you see North America? North America.
Every day. Fruits process, food process, meat process, every rice process. Chemical on them, I couldn't do that living there.
Yeah, it's hard.
I want to live look longer than the world. They might kill themselves, America. The people, they might kill themselves.
But they can't do better, my friend.
They're fresh for 50 million years.
My bone them look different the way they cut it. Because them man are artists when they come to this, they cut up the meat. They will cut up a human meat here. And you don't know it's a human meat when they don't slice it and make it look like beef.
Yes, man. Jesus Christ, I'm here with wickedness and bad in the world.
You know what I'm saying? You see chemical them where they abandoned the foreign. In Jamaica, they say they go all the rest of the island them, you know. I wonder if you don't notice one alien shrimp down at Jamaica there. I got 21 carried come to Jamaica, you know. You know that's something there? I got 21.
Yeah, we know I got 21 man.
I hit carry the alien fish there and so he come to Jamaica, you know. Tell you how we come. You see when the bulldozer them and certain equipment that come from Florida, out of the map they have because of these alien who they carry. And if I weeded that carry one tractor from Jamaica, come a foreign, he'd have to wash clean, none that could depend in nothing. You see it? All the day I go to the airport, sometimes they might ask you, did you go on the farm? And you wonder why. Oh, your shoes might pick up some bullshit. You know, see it? One fuckery going sometimes in the world, yeah, we may not understand. Certain people can have opportunity to travel freely without no harassment. And one next set, be a harassment, brother.
Yeah, man.
You hard, brother, you hard. You hard.
Lag up for one set and no laugh for the next.
Yeah, so.
Good health system for one, no health system for another.
That's why it's enough people get everything where glitter a goal, you know, but you can't see where certain life always want change.
Yes, true. Always.
And then say the more you get, the more you want. And you have to just have a mindset and also say, yeah, you have your chicken back and your roast breadfruit and you're good. You don't have to look at me some man with the steak, my belly's still full. You know what I mean?
Tanya, me I go look one small island to go. You know, Tanya, we don't do them. You know, Tanya, me I pack up and go one small island.
Got Cayman, man.
No, so me is a Cayman too. Too much people from my community, they are Cayman. Me not go work with Cayman.
Little.
Too little. Me not go have no privacy for Cayman there at all.
Just never get to him and never return a call yet.
Did you call him?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But I didn't get through, so and he didn't return the call as yet.
You have to get him, Penny.
Yeah, I'm trying, man.
Okay.
Me I try.
Okay.
It's not that me not do it. Me I try because like me I say, but I talk to some people over the other side of life, and me say some people go on, and you know that only to realize that they cussing me, telling me, saying that nothing is wrong. They realize there's nothing wrong. Me never done no accident and all sort of shit. And if I something I want, why me never ask in a different way? Me say, oh gosh, man.
I don't understand it. What used to happen? You go on another life, and what happened?
No, the person they were saying, if you understand, say nothing. Come on and say something which doesn't go like that.
Yeah, that doesn't make no sense. Yeah, I noticed notice, because I've never seen it before.
And right through the election period, I would have passed through and listening. So we understand, say, project mostly positivity. I mean, now and then you have the aliens and pass through and violate, but you have to expect that. We have to be tolerant. I would have tell my friends on the road, say, you know, you walk through. Yeah, take a call?
Yeah, go ahead now, sir.
Yeah, man, may I say. So, but as I saw somebody was saying they want to leave, go on small island. Barbados is offering a no visa move, you know. You just come to the island, register with them national insurance and them tax people, and you carry your family, enroll your children at school and start your life. As long as they can live a productive life.
Yeah.
They move to Barbados. But bro, God, not shut it down. I didn't know if it's. Yeah, you shut it down. Yeah.
Four islands, not 4 months.
Remember now, the lady went in charge of Barbados. She said it offers students to all who live in CARICOM.
Okay.
Understand me?
Okay.
So it open to all our ways, just that bro gotta fight against it.
Okay.
Yeah, them ask you who's like you go up and go get assaulted verbally.
Who's asking?
You see now in the comments, who's like
Faye
that?
Thompson. Faye Thompson. Who is that?
No, she asks who but me not about the call, so if it doesn't hug it up.
Penny, whose live did you go on and they disrespect you? Whose live? In a wandering spirit world and don't know what you're talking about and don't know what you're talking about.
My brother, you have to respect her privacy, you know. She says she don't wish to
No, but if she's not gonna tell me how the best as cheap she come down.
not put her under that pressure.
Mark,
I too much pressure on that.
I know. And you know that I'll tell you. But
Not
because
put her under that.
Mark, that's why I said some people just come. But
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead. With due respect, go ahead, sir.
Yes, you know the person I am. Are you aware?
Yes.
I am.
Understand me? And you reason with logics. And based upon what the climate is right now, me and you and I see a mindset. We in the first term, they went around and they did a lot. So look at that, man. Simple people like we can't get access to, and them through them use them strength of cash and then get their sons property, massive property.
Them to build apartments in the 14th parish of Jamaica and build gas
Affiliated with.
Well,
not them kind of people. Not them would not be them people, yeah.
if you understand where Mr. Golding did say during the debate, him say bro God have a dictatorial tendency. Understand me? That's the man that have his